Hey guys, it's that time of year again to do a recap of what happened this entire year and where we're looking to move forward, what kind of videos we're going to have in the future. First off, thank you for watching, subscribing, sharing, commenting this last year, 2022. It's been a crazy year. I think the channel's seen a lot of growth and a lot of people have been commenting, giving me feedback, and I think that just helps, the content be better. Compared to last year, I think we only had like 100 subscribers by the end of the year, the first year. This is our second year, and we have about 2,100 subscribers, 2,100. So that went up a lot. As you know, last year I said if we get 1,000 subscribers, and I think it was 4,000 hours of watch time, then we can get monetized. So we are. So I'm sorry about the ads. If, I watched a video the other day and there was a ton of ads. But it does cost money for me to put these videos together and everything like that. But we appreciate you guys bearing through those, and we get a little bit of kickback on that. But then, yeah, the subscribers went up a lot. And then the total views for this last year, I just looked it up and it was 350,000, around there. So that's a lot of views. I mean, that's, 1/3 of a million. So I think that's pretty good. And we had a lot of videos that did pretty good. The overgrown yard video, and then you guys asked for an extended version of that. And then, the house clean out video where it was just, piles of trash to the ceiling. It does make me feel good when I'm doing these videos and I'm like, well, one day, somebody's gonna comment and say like, this is the greatest cleanup I've ever seen, or good job, because sometimes you're in those situations and it's not fun. I'll just tell you. I mean, I might make jokes while we're in these videos, but half the time, the smells and all that stuff is just unbearable. But I was thinking about doing some more of the yard cleanup videos. It seems like people really like those, like the yard transformations and the time-lapse videos. But as always, leave a comment on what you think I should, what videos you guys like seeing better. And I do have a lot of cool videos coming up in the future as well. But then the last thing is the watch hours. So we have about 18,000 watch hours this past year. So like I said, you need 4,000 to do the whole monetization and stuff, and that's just boring lingo, whatever. But we got about 18,000. So that was really cool too, that people are watching for a long period of times. You can see all the analytics and stuff, so it gets kind of crazy. But going forward, we reached all of our goals as far as monetizing and everything with the channel, but I want to just start maybe pushing out a couple videos a day. Let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. I try to do one video a week, which is 52 videos a year, but I always try to do shorts now too. So I'm always in the middle of stuff and I see interesting stuff all the time. So I just try to record whenever possible. So we did have a few setbacks this year as well. If you guys haven't seen the video, it says this was a bad day, and I actually blew up the transmission on my black truck. I'll leave a little thumbnail or something so you guys can see that. And then the other one was the Ram 2500. We tried getting a bigger, better truck. So eventually I want to get into heavy equipment and stuff like that, maybe land clearing or get a skid steer or, backhoe. But that 2500 was a money pit, and I don't want to get too much in the finances, but I lost around 10 to 20 grand on that truck. So that was a major setback. But then we did get a Chevy Silverado 3500. That's what I'm in now, but it's brand new, so it's got payments. The other truck wouldn't have had payments. But it's one of those things, you're gonna have to deal with if you guys are watching this because you want to start your own business. There's always stuff that comes up, and you got to just kind of expect the worst in this business. I mean, I get flat tires almost once a week from going to the dump and stuff. So I just am so good at plugging tires now, it's ridiculous. We did get a new truck, so that was a positive, and I'm only down to one vehicle right now, but I think we're gonna try to get another truck or another car here soon as well. So look out for that. As far as the property goes, we have been doing a lot of work over there. So if you haven't seen any of those videos, our first video we ever put on the channel was we got a new property, and we've been redoing everything over there. We got the metal roof and the siding on and stuff, and some of those videos are still coming out, I think early January, February, so look out for those. And we've been doing more stuff with eBay, kind of like been selling stuff on eBay and everything like that too. I have a link of our store in some of the descriptions of those videos. We got the Good Find Friday series going, and we got the estimate video series going. But like I said, as always, just let me know what you guys want to see more of, and I can try to push that content out for you guys. Now, the property is going really good, and I'm really trying to go crazy on that this year. I want to just really get it done by the end of the year. So that's my goal for 2023, is to get that property completely renovated. That's pretty much my only goal for 2023 as far as like my actual life. But as far as the channel goes, I don't know, maybe we'll just shoot for 5,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers. I was just happy to get 1,000, so really anything here on out is just bonus. So I mean, we can shoot for 5,000 or 10,000 subscribers and see where we're at next year at this time. But the channel, I think, is pretty much doing good on its own. So now I just make the videos and just see what happens. But yeah, the property is what I really, really want to focus on. And if you guys don't know, I want to rent that out eventually or Airbnb it out. So we're going to do so much work over there. So stay tuned, because years from now, you'll look back on these videos like they did a lot of stuff over there. But yeah, pretty much just want that to go good. I might get into dumpsters this year. I've been doing a little bit of research on that. As you guys know, right now I pull a dump trailer, but I thought about getting a dump trailer that holds containers. I was looking that up too, and there's people that don't charge too much in my area, so it really, I don't know if it's gonna be worth it or not. But that's something else I might get into. But as far as everything else, I'm just gonna keep doing what we're doing and hope that, you know, you guys keep watching and that we keep getting jobs and just keep going forward and moving forward. And thanks for watching as always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and see you guys